Exercise 1.2, sum number 7. If A inverse equal to 103, 2, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1, then find A. So in this problem, A inverse is given, find A value. So by using the property A inverse the whole inverse equal to A. So this is the property of the one of the property of the matrix. So A inverse, and then take inverse is equal to A. So A inverse of inverse equal to 1 by, is the same formula for inverse, is 1 by determinant A inverse into adjoint A inverse. So adjoint A inverse equal to A complement inverse whole transpose. First we have to calculate the determinant of A inverse 103, 2, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1. So find the determinant of the matrix 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 0 into 2 plus 1 plus 3 into minus 2 minus 1, 1 into 0, 0 into anything is 0, 3 minus 3 is minus 9, the value is minus 9. So determinant of A inverse equal to minus 9. Next we have to calculate the continuation for adjoint A inverse equal to A complement inverse transpose. So A inverse can be taken as 103, 2, 1 minus 1 and 1 minus 1, 1. Straight away compute the cofactor of this matrix. A inverse Ij equal to minus 1 power I plus j into Mij. So first we have to calculate the minor of this matrix. So M11 equal to minor of 1 is 1 minus 1 minus 1 1, cross calculation 1 minus 1 is 0. M12 minor of 0 is 2 minus 1 1 1, cross multiplication 2 plus 1 equal to 3. M13 equal to minor of 3 is 2 1 1 minus 1. So minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. M21 equal to minor of 2 is 0 3 minus 1 1. So 0 plus 3 equal to 3. M22 equal to minor of 1 is 1 3 1 1. So the calculation is 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So M23 equal to minor of minus 1 is 1 0 1 minus 1. So cross calculation minus 1 minus 0 equal to minus 1. M31 third row first column. So minor of 1 is 0 3 1 minus 1, 0 minus 3 is minus 3, and M32 equal to minor of minus 1 is 1 3 2 minus 1, minus 1 minus 6 is minus 7. M33 equal to minor of 1 is 1 0 2 1, 1 minus 0 equal to 1. So minor calculations are over. Next we have to calculate the cofactor of this matrix. So A11 inverse equal to minus 1 power 1 plus 1 into M11. So it is equal to minus 1 whole square into 0. 0 into anything is 0. Second one, A12 inverse equal to minus 1 power 1 plus 2 into M12. So minus 1 whole cube into 3, it is equal to minus 3. A13 power minus 1 equal to minus 1 power 1 plus 3 into M13. Minus 1 power 4 into minus 3 equal to minus 3. A21 power minus 1 equal to minus 1 power 2 plus 1 into M21. So minus 1 whole cube into 3 equal to minus 3. A22 power minus 1 equal to minus 1 power 2 plus 2 into M22. Minus 1 power 4 into minus 2 is minus 2. And A23 power minus 1. A23 power minus 1 is minus 1 power 2 plus 3 into M23. Minus 1 power 5 into minus 1 is plus 1. A31 power minus 1 is minus 1 power 3 plus 1 into M31. So minus 1 power 4 into minus 3 is minus 3. And A32 power minus 1 power 3 plus 2 into M32, minus 1 power 5 into minus 7 is plus 7. A33 power minus 1 is minus 1 power 3 plus 3 into n33. So minus 1 power 6 into 1 is 1. So the A complement inverse is 0 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 2 1 minus 3 7 1. Adjoint A inverse is A complement inverse whole transpose can be taken transpose. All the row can be changed into column. First row can be changed into column, second row is also changed into column, and third row is also changed into column. So A inverse whole transpose equal to 1 by modulus of A inverse modulus 1 by determinant of A inverse into adjoint A inverse. So 1 by minus 9 into minus 9 is an determinant of A, 0 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 2 7 minus 3 1 1. The final result is minus multiplying by throughout by minus. So 1 by 9 into 0 3 3 3 2 minus 7 3 minus 1 minus 1. And the problem. Again problem number 8. Show that the matrices A equal 2 2 1 1 3 1 1 2 2, B equal to 4 by 5 minus 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5 plus 4 by 5 are inverses of each other. Inverses of each other, when the matrices A and B are inverses of each other, prove that. So this is the definition of AB inverses of each other means AB equal to BA equal to identity matrix. We have to prove that multiply A and B and multiplying B and A which is equal to identity matrix. So first we have to take AB, multiply A and B, first row first column, 2 into 4 by 5 plus 2 into minus 1 by 5 and 1 into minus 1 by 5. First row is multiplied by second column, 2 into minus 2 by 5 and 2 into 3 by 5, 1 into minus 2 by 5 and 2 into minus 1 by 5, 2 into minus 1 by 5 and 1 into 4 by 5. Again second row first column, 1 into 4 by 5, 1 into 4 by 5 and 3 into minus 1 by 5 and 1 into minus 1 by 5. Okay, next one, 2 into second value is we have to take the 1 into minus 2 by 5 and 3 into 3 by 5 and 1 into minus 2 by 5 and third row multiplying by the second row is multiplying by the third column. So second row 1 into minus 1 by 5, 3 into minus 1 by 5 and 1 into 4 by 5. Third row is multiplying by first column, 1 into 4 by 5, 2 into minus 1 by 5 and 2 into minus 1 by 5, 1 into minus 2 by 5 and 2 into 3 by 5 and 2 into minus 2 by 5. The last one is 1 into minus 1 by 5, 2 into minus 1 by 5 and 2 into 4 by 5. So reducing this multiplication, 2 into 4 is 8 by 5 minus 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5. This one is minus 4 by 5, 6 by 5 minus 2 by 5. Third one is minus 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5 plus 4 by 5. Second row 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Next value minus 2 by 5 plus 9 by 5 minus 2 by 5. Next one is minus 1 by 5 minus 3 by 5 plus 4 by 5. Third row 4 by 5 minus 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5. Next one is minus 2 by 5 plus 6 by 5 minus 4 by 5. Last one is minus 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5 plus 8 by 5. So reducing this value 5 by 5, this one is 0, this one is 0. Again this one is 0, 5 by 5, this one is 0, 0, 0 and this one is 5 by 5. So all these values are dividing throughout by 5 by 5 is 1, 1 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 0 1. This is an identity matrix. Next we have to show that BA equal to. So again B can be taken as first and A can be taken in second. So multiply these two values. So first row is multiplied by first column, 4 by 5 into 2 minus 2 by 5 into 1 minus 1 by 5 into 1. Again 4 by 5 into 2 minus 2 by 5 into 3 and minus 1 by 5 into 3 is there. Again 4 by 5 into 1 minus 2 by 5 into 1 and minus 1 by 5 into 2. Again the second row is multiplying first column, so minus 1 by 5 into 2, 3 by 5 into 1, and minus 1 by 5 into 1. And minus 1 by 5 into 2, and 3 by 5 into 3, and minus 1 by 5 into 2. Last one is minus 1 by 5 into 1, 3 by 5 into 1, and minus 1 by 5 into 2. Okay. Last one is third row, minus 1 by 5 into 2, and minus 2 by 5 into 1, and 4 by 5 into 1. Again minus 1 by 5 into 2, and minus 2 by 5 into 3, and 4 by 5 into 2. Last one is third row is multiplying by third column, minus 1 by 5 into 1, and minus 2 by 5 into 1, and 4 by 5 into 2. So reducing this matrix, so this value can be taken as 5 by 5, 0, 0, 0, 5 by 5, 0, 0, 0, 5 by 5. Dividing all the values, so 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So we have to obtain the identity matrix. Hence the problem.